Nothing beats finding yourself a nice luxury hotel in the middle of Istanbul. You know, guys, I always bring you the very best of the best, and here is the Grand Hyatt at Istanbul, and it definitely was given. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and like, and yes, give us a thumbs up. So the room was a standard room, but I thought this room particularly was quite spacious in itself. The bathroom was huge enough to fit one or two people. The sink space was more than enough, obviously, to get my pictures, and you had the lovely bath on the side. The rooms were cleaned every day, which I really like. I don't like hotels who tell me I can only have one clean for 1 week. I'm not going to mention names. And all throughout the hotel, you could tell that it was maintained to excellent standards. Now, just taking you back into the main room itself, it definitely had a mini fridge. That was the bed. Then you had a nice, lovely desk to work. And just looking outside of the window, you would notice the views. The bed was just a standard bed, could fit two people, maybe with a child, if you were traveling with a child. And look at that tennis court. Honestly, I'm a huge fan of tennis. So wherever I find a nice tennis court, I always try and make sure that I get a session in there. So guys, let me know what your thoughts are of the room, if you would be booking this yourself for your next stay in Istanbul. It was good proximity to a lot of the landmarks, the Blue Mosque, the Hagia Sophia, and yes, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you.